सांबार भी चाहिए मेरा सेट हो गया ब्रेड फ्रूट्स के So guys, I'm in Silvanus Forest Retreat. This is the hotel room. As you can see the washroom, it's quite spacious. But there is a big problem. This is actually in total greenery. I'm just talking about this room. The bed's fine. That's another bed. That's actually a sofa cum bed. If you have a third companion in the room, a family or something. So one thing I tell you, the room is spacious. Cleanliness is actually okay. I better tell you one thing. This is like a forest, as I call it, forest retreat. A few things I better tell you. There are so many bugs, and if you're okay with the bugs, then it's fine. There are too many bugs to be precisely tell you that. They'll be all over the wall. There are ants, and guess what? There's mouses here. I had another room in this very building right down, and that room had a mouse, so we checked out that room and we got this room right now. So the room is okay. It has a lot of cockroaches, and by the way, in the night the washroom is gonna have so many bugs over here, cockroaches and all. If you're okay with this kind of a lifestyle, you want to chill but you are okay with the bugs around you, then you're going to like this place. Probably you wouldn't mind it. For me, I did not enjoy this basic holiday because of the bugs around. And this room doesn't have a safe, neither it has a fridge. It just has a bit of a a cupboard for your stuff. That's it. A few to keep your knickknacks here. That's also a cupboard there. There's nothing else. One more thing, if you want to get this room to be cleaned, you have to give your keys to the housekeeping, because they don't have an extra key for that. So there's no master key. You'll have to give your room key. Then and then only room will be clean. The stay was, according to me, I didn't enjoy it. But if you like this kind of a place, the greenery is too much. It's too many bugs. It's too many bugs, and I can't take the bugs and the cockroaches all around you, flying around and all. I would skip this place, but yes, this is a little bit of a room tour. If you like it, fair enough. And if you like the video, guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.